Hello everyone, I am Bhupender Singh again with a new video. Here you will know the interfacing of 7 segment with ATmega16 or ATmega32. So let's start. This is the Proteus and we will need to add the components from the library to our design. So we select component mode and click on P. Then search the ATmega16. Select ATmega16 and click OK. Now search 7 segment. Select 7 segment common cathode and click OK. It's time to place components. Now place 7 segment. Select ATmega16 and click on the space where you want to place. I am connecting 7 segment with ATmega16. Here is the circuit diagram. You can see how to connect it. Link is available in the description to download the circuit diagram. So connect 7 segment topmost pins to 22 pin of ATmega16, next pin to 23 and so on. Last pin connected to 28 number. At last we need ground pin to connect. We connect the ground to 7 segment ground pin. Our design is ready. Now open ATmel AVR Studio. You can download the ATmel AVR Studio from the link that is given in the below description. Click on new project. Now click on AVR GCC. Write your project name. Please keep in mind that we must click on create initial file and create folder. Now click on next. Select AVR simulator. Search ATmega16. And click finish. Let's start to write the program. Define headers and library in the program. You can download the program from the link that is available in the description. After completing the code, Click on Build and run the program. Our program has been built successfully. We save the Proteus file with the same folder where we already saved the program. Now double click on ATmega16. Property editor will appear. Click on folder icon. Go to the location where we have saved folder. Inside that folder, you will get a folder named default. Open the folder and select the hex file with your program name like 7segment.hex. Select and click OK. Now play the Proteus. Displaying of numerical value from 0 to 9 appear in the result. That's it. Thanks for watching.